Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all. Today it's about Saturn in Taurus Navamsha. After a long stay in Aries Navamsha, Saturn shifted to Taurus Navamsha on 7th of November and would stay there till 21st of December. Navamsha chart is very helpful to deeply understand a particular area of our life. We can observe strength of planets and houses, our internal ability and skills, then precisely our bonding with each other, our marriages, our fortune and our spiritual progress, along with our approach, internal approach towards life. All these can be judged with the help of Navamsha placement. Any planet, when falls in Taurus Navamsha, it highlights our mindset about material stability and its security along with our values, what matters to us the most. The focus is more on generating income resources for our needs and also our codependents, our family. Since we are talking about Navamsha, we can check how all these will be felt internally. With this Navamsha placement, we can also learn a lot about how best we can use our earned resources in the best possible way. And do not waste it or misuse it, as Saturn has significance of any kind of wastage. Saturn is a strict teacher. When in Taurus Navamsha, it will teach us to be more productive and not waste anything. The same applies to the natural resources also that we have in terms of nature, our surroundings. With this placement, there will be awareness on safeguarding these natural resources on the earth and save them as far as we can. Do more plantation, as Taurus is earth element sign and fixed in nature. This both signifies rock solid, sometimes rigid approach, and unshakable determination with whatever we are working on. And the disciplined nature of Saturn resonates very well with this stable, secure sign of Taurus. Also, Venus is a very good friend of Saturn. And the combined energies will generate reliability, stability, where Taurus is placed in your Navamsha chart. This both can help us achieve some realistic goals, especially on career front and wealth, as Venus and Saturn both represents material benefits. Do keep in mind that Navamsha and Saturn both signifies the fruits of our own work done in the past. Only you know best what you have done and now what you can expect. Much will be dependent on the position of Venus in your Navamsha chart also, how strong it is. As Venus is the dispositor of Saturn, Saturn will surely fulfill all our needs first and what you have worked upon, and then all that you desire. As Saturn is also the lord of 10th and 11th of the natural zodiac, and Saturn represents our tough responsibilities. It strongly tries to control the place where it is placed or where it is impacting. So, the significance of the house of its placement reduces, shrinks, as it removes all the unwanted things from that place. And while Saturn is in Taurus Navamsha, it will give proper structure. Where Taurus is placed in your Navamsha, teach us the values of what we have and build up strong self worth along with proper worth ethics. Taurus not only rules money and possessions but also rules our values, the things what matters us the most, our tradition, our history, our lineage, what gives us dependability and security. And how we would have that? By working hard, giving proper focus on the area of life where Saturn impacts. Also, while working on that, it brings out our deepest fears. and we should carefully attain the needs pertaining to that house in the sign. Secondly, Taurus rules our five senses, also our emotion, sensitivity, as moon is exalted in Taurus. So when Saturn is in Taurus Navamsha, we need to closely watch over our senses and control it. Saturn wants to control everything around and goes by books, follow the rules and regulations. Also, on a wider outlook, Saturn in Taurus Navamsha will keep a hold of economy too. There will be correction wherever there is surplus or scarcity. But Saturn will maintain the economy. It won't let it break, but rather balance it. We have Saturn in good dignity in D1 and also in Navamsha as the Lord of Taurus. Venus is a very good friend to Saturn. They both are comfortable with each other. Saturn will be greatly influencing this impact of Saturn in Taurus Navamsha as this time Venus is transiting 12th to Saturn in Sagittarius. Saturn defines boundaries and limits. The transit through early Taurus Navamsha raises some questions about feeling secure in that area and have a clear picture about where we stand, getting realistic about it and evaluate what works for us. Let us see for each Taurus Navamsha placement for all 12 houses in your Navamsha chart. Which area will have concerns about security and consistency? Check your Navamsha placement of Taurus sign in your Navamsha chart. That house is getting activated with this transit, and Saturn will make some positive correction in that area. So if Taurus is in the first house of your Navamsha chart, then good for your health, your personality, your identity, your profession, and your financial gains. If this Taurus sign is placed in the second house of your Navamsha chart, then it will bring stability in your career, your home, your family matter, and will fulfill your wishes which you have worked upon earlier. Third house Saturn in Taurus Navamsha will help you reap rewards of your good writing and communication skill. Finally, will give you some recognition of your work done so far. If Taurus falls in the fourth house, then focus will be to bring benefits from home, property, vehicle, and your peace of mind with family members. Fifth house Taurus sign in your Navamsha chart can give confidence on your creative ability and success in such activities with some real satisfaction. Sixth house Taurus sign in your Navamsha chart blesses with bravery and courage to fight tough enemies and big challenges, and also this will defeat some tough diseases and enemies too. Seventh house Taurus in your Navamsha chart will give stability in your personal and professional relations, can give good management skills in administration or in business also. Eighth house Taurus will give you sudden finances from others, your in-laws, but also can give you health problems, long-term diseases, a challenging change, but for good. This will bring awareness. Ninth house Taurus will give you balanced outlook for the world with much clarity, right equation with your bosses and father figures in attaining all your goals. 10th house Taurus will give you status, power for working for the common people and their upliftment. With 11th house Taurus, there can be all round success with fulfillment of all your desires for everything that you have worked upon so far. 12th house Taurus can bring some news from the foreign countries and will bring some major transformations about your health, your day to day life, your family, and will give some fresh start. That's all for all 12 houses of Taurus Navamsha. To conclude, when Saturn is getting in Taurus Navamsha, we will more think about attaining financial securities, mentally, internally, building foundations of our family values. And externally, Saturn is working on the same tirelessly as Saturn is in Capricorn sign. Just be watchful on getting too stubborn or rigid in your behavior, as Taurus and Capricorn both emphasize on earth energy. Venus and Saturn both together can guarantee some very comfortable and enjoyable time by stabilizing our finances, our family values. If this transit is used well, by correcting our attitude wherever it is needed. I wish you all prosperous and happy time ahead. Hope this was helpful. Do write in your comments and queries. Thank you for your time. Do check out this channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye for now.